Hello students, today we are going to learn about chapter number 8, log on to Flash CS3. So today we are going to learn about how to log in Flash. So now let's see what is Animate. Animate is a software package that allows user create interactive animations. Using Animate, one can combine images, audio, video and other effects to create animations. Originally, it was designed to create animations for display on web pages. Animate is now commonly used to create games, cartoon, websites, photo galleries and much more. The animations and graphics created in Animate can be scaled to any size without comparison with clarity or quality. Know the fact. Adobe Animate is a multimedia authoring and computer animation program developed by Adobe System. So now how to start Animate? To start Animate, follow the steps. Click on the Start button and all programs and Adobe Animate CC. The Adobe Animate CC welcome screen appears. The screen displays 4 pans: open recent item, create new, introduction and learn. All the common tasks like creating a new document, opening recently used file and using pre-built templates can be done using this screen. Under create new section, select action script 3.0. A new blank file will open in Animate window. So now the Animate workspace. Menu bar. The menu bar contains controls for common functions and commands such as opening, editing and saving files, etc. So now know the fact. To save the file, click on File, Save. Specify the file name and click on the Save button. The file will be saved with .fla extension. Next, the stage. This is the rectangular workspace area where we place our content and create our drawings or movies. By default, the stage size in Animate is 550 into 400 pixels. Let's know more. In order to move the stage to different position on the screen, select the hand tool from the tools panel and drag the stage to the desired position. So next, the tools panel. It contains a set of tools to draw, paint, select and modify objects in the workspace. So now let's move. You can view the stage on the entire screen or view particular area of your drawing at high magnification. To do so, select the zoom tool from the tools panel and click on the object. To switch between the zoom in or zoom out option using the enlarge or reduce modifiers displayed in the option section. So now the priorities panel. The priority panel displays various properties of the selected object, text, symbol, image or shape. It is generally used for changing the settings like stage size, ruler unit, background color of the stage and frame rate. It is also named as Property Inspector. If the Properties panel is not visible, then we can select the Window or Properties option. So next, quick view. The Ctrl plus F3 shortcut key combination is used to enable the Properties panel. Next, know the fact. You can also change the various properties of the stage like stage size, background color, etc. by selecting the Modify Document option. Next, timeline. The timeline is a window at the bottom of the stage It is divided into frames. It is the area where one controls the sequencing and timing of graphics and the other elements of a movie. Using the tools panel, the tools panel consists of many tools that help in drawing, coloring and modifying an object. With the help of tools, we can create shapes like rectangle, circle, line or any other object. Most of the Animate tools work similar to the tools present in Microsoft Paint. So now let's know more. You can also select the stroke color and fill color from the color section of the tools panel. So now the drawing tools. First one is rectangle tool. This tool is used to create square and rectangular shapes. This tool has an option which can be set to draw a rounded rectangle. Select the rectangle tool and select the stroke color, fill color, stroke size and style and scale from the properties inspector. So now drag the mouse pointer on the stage. As the rectangular shape is created, release the left mouse button. And to draw a rounded rectangle, specify corner radius under the rectangle option section in the properties panel. You can either specify the numeric value or use corner radius controller slider to change the value for all the corners. Now click and draw a rectangle on the stage. You will get a rounded rectangle with the specified corner settings. So now, if the chain symbol placed left to the corner radius controller slider is connected, you can lock the corner radius controls to one control. That is, by setting the radius in one box, you can set the same radius for all the corner. If you want to specify different radius for each corner, unlock the chain symbol and enter a different numeric value in each box. You can also draw other shapes like oval, polyester, etc. on the stage by choosing the desired tool from the toolbox. After drawing the rounded rectangle shape, you cannot modify the radius. However, Animate CC provide you with rectangle primitive tool to solve this problem.